Today we will do an essay, and the topic of the essay is an occasion when it was necessary to tell the truth, whatever the consequences. Honesty is the best policy, can be the other name. Being honest is always the best solution. Everyone will respect you if you are an honest person. Although being an honest person takes time, the result is tremendous. Between honesty and friendship, which would you choose? Would you say the truth or let your friendship be jeopardized with the truth or otherwise? Here is my story about friendship and honesty. I was chosen as one of the leaders to make a show between two schools as they are going to transfer to our school. The HODs made some plans for each level to create a bond with the opposing school, and my level was chosen to do a show on friendship. Of course, I was busy all with all the planning and the preparation for the show. I did not have time for my friends. I thought they would understand, but sadly, no. They would say sarcastic remarks right in front of my face. For example, meeting, that's all you do, that's all you do. Meeting, that's all you do. We have waited for you for an hour and you are still not finished yet. And many more hurtful remarks. I was disappointed with them. I thought that they would support me with all those heavy loads of work. All they did was complaining. Sometimes they even make a face. I kept all my feelings from them. The only way to express my feeling was to my workmates. They were the ones who have there for me since the show started. They suggest to talk with my friends about this, so I did. Why are you guys against the show and me? If you guys were in my position, of course you would not have any time to spend together. Every day after class, I have all these meetings and props to do. The least you guys could do is ask me if I was fine or not. Was that even hard? Rather than talking about me behind my back and you call yourself a friend, I went it out. I was fuming. They were speechless. They did not even try to deny about it. I have never been so straightforward and too honest before in my whole life. That was the worst moment of my life. I avoided them the whole week until the day of the performance. I did felt lonely without them, but I have to stand strong with my opinion. As a leader, I have to give them their duties on that day, so I talk to them with a monotone. But after the show, they came to me and apologized about their behavior. They looked remorseful, so I forgave them. Telling the truth might jeopardize our friendship, but telling the truth also helps the other party to reflect on themselves. There is always a bad incident that would happen after telling the truth, but the result is always something good. Remember, honesty is the best policy.